Yeah, mate. I play around the shindaiwa. So I've already started up with start up again. I'll do some cutting. That's 6 heat circles. She should be alright. I started about half an hour ago. There you go. So I'll take her over to the wood yard and off the woods over here. Some logs up there for me, just see if she goes. I'm pretty sure she's right, she's running fat. I'll keep it fat because you matter. And to the other, yeah, straight fish. And I'll be having with it. You won't be having it all, but yeah, straight fish. Normally you run 25 to 1. Oh, and what's going on? I'll do a video anyway. Let's try the shindaiwa in wood. Hey, you matter. First cuts, warmed up. I think I might put a bit more on the high. Get it right there. Down the motor play up. And find the screw. No, I contact the owner and say, come pick this all up. That's shindaiwa then. Now, that's the stock standard cylinder that you get from China, AliExpress, and that's how it performs. Has been poured, that's the way you buy them. It's pretty good, pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching guys.